I'm going to trim this hedge of Pittosporum today. This is going to be the first time I'm cutting it, and my first time in my life. So we'll see how it goes. The ultimate goal is to make it 2 meters height, like to cover the whole height of the hedge between our homes and make it look better. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. I just recently bought this brand new Black+Decker trimmer and I'm going to test it today. I put some lubricant to make it work even better. Hopefully it helps. We'll see. Looks nice. I put my glasses on to protect my eyes. Let's stay safe. I also put on my protective gloves. Let's get started. Finally, I'm done with this job. In my mind, it did its job very well. I've cleaned it up with water slightly and let it dry. Now I'm putting lubricant once again to preserve corrosion. I hope I made it slightly better, so at least it looks like a straight line. They still need to grow, but now they look much better to my mind.